recap for you all on safety features of a chainsaw. We have firstly bar chain cover, there to protect the bar and chain when transporting the saw. We have a chain with low kickback characteristics, mainly a guard link. Moving back through the saw, we have a chain catcher designed to catch the chain in case of any derailing or chain breakage. Anti-vibration mounts and springs to reduce the amount of vibration from the saw being passed into your body. We have a left hand guard incorporating chain brake. Moving back round again, we have rear hand guard or right hand guard. Mandatory safety stickers. Dead man's handle or interlocking trigger mechanism. Clearly marked on-off switch. We have an exhaust pointing away from the operator. And that's about it.